Hello all, do you have a slow internet at the village? Testing initial internet speed with the stock setup. Only around 3 to 4 Mbps, extremely slow. Let's inspect the current setup and equipment. Here is the ZTE 4G LTE router and an EnGenius access point. Time to unbox the new MikroTik mANT LTE directional antenna. Inside the box, we have the panel antenna, mounting bracket, and connection cables. Checking the SMA connection ports on the back. Connecting the external antenna cables to the 4G router. Routing the cables outside towards the open window. Positioning the directional antenna outside for maximum signal strength. All cables are connected. Router is powered back on. Running a new speed test to check the results. Speed is up, reaching a stable 6.1 Mbps with improved latency. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech upgrades and tutorials. Drop your questions or results in the comments below.